Hello everyone, this is Rai Abdurrahman, founder and the CEO of the Forex Inc. Welcome to this video. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how we should and we can set up our Forex currency charts. So this section may not apply to everyone, as we can only show you how we set up our currency charts using the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. Although even if you are trading from a different platform, you can still use the same layout and colors. This brings us to our next point. There is no one size fits all when it comes to chart layout and colors. Some may prefer a bullish candle to show as blue versus white. It comes down to whatever works best for you in our Telegram channel or our blog. So therefore, we'd really appreciate it if you could use something close to what we are about to discuss. Of course, you can use different colors, but we'd like for the layout to remain the same. So let's get to it real quick. How to set up our Forex currency charts to study them. On your trading platform, the first thing you'll want to do is to pick a chart to use as your template. So what I'm going to do is to open this EuroCAD chart, and this is what it looks like in the beginning when you open up the chart. It doesn't matter which currency pair or time frame, since we'll be creating a template that will be applied to all charts. So once you have a chart up, right click on each indicator. I am going to add an indicator and then show you how you can remove it. So I'm going to insert indicators, force index. Okay, so this is what your chart is going to look like when you open it first. So I'm going to click on this indicator, here, delete indicator window. Boom, there you go, the indicator has been deleted. So now that we have a clean canvas to work from, right click anywhere on the chart and click on the properties and click the drop down menu of this scheme and click black and white and click OK. Let's switch it to the candlestick. So this gives you a clean looking chart where bullish candles are white and bearish candles are black. This is what works best for us, but feel free to play around with these colors. Everyone's eyes are different, and choosing the combination that allows you to easily spot price action is important. It's also important to choose colors that are easy on your eyes. You want something that you can look at for long periods of time without becoming fatigued. For this reason, we recommend staying away from is customize your chart settings. For this, you will need to select the common tab from properties. Here you go. So here is how we have our chart setup. We like to keep chart auto scroll turned off and chart shift turned on. Here is this chart shift. So you are going to switch off the chart auto scroll and turn on the chart shift. So the auto scroll functions like it's going to auto scroll your chart whenever price moves. This can be annoying, especially when trying to analyze past market activity. We like chart shift because it provides some room between the current candle and the hard edge of your chart, giving you more white space, which makes it easier to trade price action. So that's it. After that, you need to change the colors. So if you want to change the color of bull candle, I like it blue. Okay, so just type in blue. Here you go. Your bull candle is in color blue. The same goes with the bear candle. If I want it to be red, just type in red and click enter, and there you go. So now that you know how to set up your currency charts, you will want to save this chart as a template so that you don't have to repeat this on every chart. So once you have perfected your chart's appearance, right click anywhere and go to templates and click save template. Name this template. Let's name Forex Inc. Save. Boom. So let's say you need to study some other pairs, like you need to study NZD CHF. So I'm going to open this chart window and right click anywhere on the chart, go to templates and click on the Forex Inc, and it will automatically load the template you saved there. Repeat this with every pair, every chart you want to study, and you will be good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please drop it a thumbs up and share it with other trading fellows. Thank you so much. See you soon.